Right.
Look at what, you should see the inside of my house. It is, I don't know where to start. Watch out for him.
Okay.
Don't touch the,
Is he gonna spit on me or what?
just kind of stick behind the, near the, well.
Okay. I'm gonna come around the tree.
My hay ring was over by my entry gate. This hay ring. That was a gnarly storm. Look at my house used to be right there. Who's gonna take care of this?
She needs help.